Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it, Service click, and tap on Get Started. Then click OK, click on the switcher next to LED keyboard and click OK again. Tap on Input Options and choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here pick theme that you like the best, for example that one, and tap on it. Then select Download theme and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!